Welcome to this walkthrough on securing Kubernetes web applications using single sign-on or SSO. In this demo, we'll use the ServiceFoundry console to configure Traefik, OAuth2 Proxy, and Keycloak, all running on Kubernetes. Let's get started. This is our architecture. All incoming requests go through Traefik Ingress, which delegates authentication to OAuth2 Proxy. The proxy then connects to Keycloak, where only authenticated users are forwarded to the back-end web application. To follow along, make sure your Kubernetes cluster has the following: Traefik Ingress controller, OAuth2 Proxy, and Keycloak set up and accessible. OAuth2 Proxy is a reverse proxy that handles login via third-party providers like Keycloak. It sits between the user and the app, blocking unauthenticated access. OAuth2 Proxy uses encrypted session cookies to remember the user's login. These cookies include the user ID, access tokens, and expiry timestamps. By default, the cookie name is _OAuth2_proxy, but you can change it if needed. For this demo, we'll use a Node.js app that simply echoes all HTTP headers it receives. This helps us visualize what authentication headers are passed through. This is the code for the server. It creates a basic HTTP server on port 3000 and prints the headers in the response. We run the Node.js app inside a Kubernetes deployment. The app code is mounted via a config map. It listens on port 3000 inside the container. Now let's look at the Traefik Ingress configuration. We use a custom Ingress route and a middleware to delegate authentication. This Ingress route listens on dev.servicefoundry.org. It uses a forward-auth middleware to send unauthenticated users to OAuth2 Proxy. The middleware sends authentication requests to the OAuth2 Proxy service. If the user is authenticated, OAuth2 Proxy returns headers like xauth request user, xauth request email, and authorization tokens. These headers are passed through to the app. We're now ready to deploy everything. Use kubectl apply with Kustomize for both the app and the Ingress route. Run the following commands. Now go to https://dev.servicefoundry.org. You'll be redirected to the Keycloak login screen. After logging in, you'll see the request headers that were passed through. They include your Keycloak user ID, email, and access token headers. Here's a sample cookie named _OAuth2_proxy, and the authentication headers from OAuth2 Proxy, like email and user ID, are shown in the HTTP response. These headers match what's shown in your Keycloak user info panel. It's a seamless authentication flow. Let's recap. We've built a secure authentication flow using Traefik, OAuth2 Proxy, and Keycloak. Users are authenticated before reaching your app, boosting security and centralizing login. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more videos on ServiceFoundry. See you in the next one.